Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty excited with this unboxing because this Coach bag was kind of one of those older version of Coach bag that when I first started get into it and I saw people have this backpack and I was like, oh, I really want it, but it took a long time. Like I kept waiting and finally it showed up on their website. So I immediately ordered one. So I'll see if this is as good as what they say. Wow, a lot of packaging going into this backpack. Before I continue, I probably have to take off all the papers and stuff. And by the way, this is a Coach Bleecker backpack. At first, I saw they have this in color block version, but I just didn't quite like the color. So, and then I waited for another day, and somehow this brown one saddle color show up, and I knew I had to get it. Let me go remove all the packaging. Hi, I'm back after removing all the packaging and wrapping of this bag. It was unbelievable. It literally like took me maybe 5 minutes to remove one by one, but at least they come in great shape with all that many packaging. Still some on this zipper. So this is their Bleecker backpack in saddle color, and what I love with this backpack is the closure here. The top closure here is the top flap closure is this kind of a lobster claw thing. It's not a magnetic one because I really worry with magnetic closure. After like 5-10 years, I wonder if it's going to lose its magnetic field and not going to just attach well. With this, I don't have to worry about that. Of course, this is the drawstring backpack, so it will still close, but I do still want to keep this shut well. However, the bottom part, it does come with a magnetic closure, but since it's not the main compartment, so I'm not too worried about it. And so far, this feels pretty strong. They must have some kind of special magnet for this backpack closure because it does feel like much better quality than other magnetic closure on other bags. And then on the back side, see, this is what I love about older backpack is this is all leather. Although it may not be good for summer because you may sweat from all that, but for fall, for spring, even for winter, it would be nice because I just love a high quality all leather backpack. For this backpack strap, it also is a full leather one, but on the back, it has this cotton webbing as lining and to strengthen the shape. My favorite feature is this zipper here on the side. You can access the main compartment by unzipping this part. It's really convenient. And I just feel like this backpack is a combination of what I like about a backpack. You know, the traditional brown saddle color, and then the easy access to the inside compartment, full leather, so that I don't have to worry about the foam thing breaking down after a while. So let's look at the inside. Still have a ton of wrapping inside, but look like it has a compartment for laptop or for your iPad. Not sure what size. I believe it advertised 15-inch, but I wouldn't try that. I don't think it fit. I mean, I don't have a 15-inch laptop, but it should fit my iPad Pro securely and no problem. Other than the laptop compartment, it does have a zipper pocket. See, it does have a zipper pocket, and it go pretty deep. I would say at least 8 to 10 inches deep. Not all the way to the bottom, but it's a deep pocket for the zip pocket. And then on the front side, it has 3 compartments. This is pretty standard for coach bag, especially coach men's bag. It's pretty standard that 2 big slip pocket and 1 for pen. So we'll see if this drawstring, oh, it does work. I was worried that it would be hard to pull the drawstring. It's actually not hard at all. See, I was able to pull it and secure it really well. And even the drawstring for this backpack is in full leather. And I absolutely love this part of it. It just feels like it's a more durable backpack and very versatile, and it can last a long time, and it's just not a backpack that will look dated after a few years. I mean, this backpack is not current, so I believe when it was out, it was a few years ago now. And it still looks kind of trendy to me. At least personally, I love it. I think this is one of my favorite purchase of 2022. I know 2022 is still early. Now we are just in February, so we will see. But so far, this is kind of one of my favorite purchase. Highly recommend it if you could find it. Thanks for watching today's unboxing, and I will share more with you soon. Bye.